Hello student, myself Mohoray. I am going to discuss about the subject pipe materials topic, and subject is the building services and equipment, materials, fitting and appliances. First, I am going to discuss about the type of pipe which is made by the different material. Number one is a cast iron pipe. Cast iron pipe or the CI pipe were widely used for the transportation purposes of and also the water supply and the sewage before the plastic pipes were invented. They are one of the oldest piping system, and presently today we now being replaced by the high density polyethylene pipe by HDPE pipe and polyvinyl chloride pipe PVC pipe. Some cast iron pipes are still in working condition, but most have the deteriorated and are need of the replacement. They have the lifespan about the 75 to 100 years, but evidence shows that some have lasted much longer. Cast iron pipes can handle low wastewater pressure even if the corrosion has occurred because of the thickness of the wall. Number 2 is a steel pipe. Steel pipe are widely used for the purposes of supply and distributions of the water and also the gas. The size range varies from 3/8 inch to 2 inches and mostly common use because they are the cheaper and better option available in the market. While steel pipes are durable and materials is difficult to work with because the need of threading. However, steel used for replacing or the repairing existing steel pipeline still is durable, but over time is prone to corrosion from the inside as a result of zinc erosion. This occurs to the layer of the zinc inside the pipe due to constant exposure to water, leading and build-up of the corrosion byproduct. The average lifespan of the steel pipe is about 50 years. Number 3 is the reinforced concrete pipe. The reinforced concrete pipe have available in the market 18th to 19th century, relatively thin wall thickness and resulting the weight reduction brought about by this was the reason. Already start of the 20th century, reinforced concrete pipe with the circular cross section and were produced in the factory size up to DN 2500. This pipe or gravity systems where can be dimensioned for any load cases and specially suited for the high load and for the dynamic stress caused by heavy traffic with the small cover depth. Pipe with the smaller size or the nominal size were often reinforced in only one direction. Larger one received the spiral reinforcement, very large one double and triple layer of reinforcement depend upon their loading. Pre-stressed concrete pipe. A suitably compacted concrete core longitudinally pre-stressed with the piston high tensile steel were embedded to the concrete and circumferentially pre-stressed and coated with the cement mortar of the concrete to protect the circumferential pre-stressing wherewith withstand internal pressure and external design also. Application is water supply line, lift irrigation and drainage scheme which involve the medium pressure. Copper pipe. Copper pipe are also commonly used in the construction industry for the water supply line and the refrigerant line HVAC or heating, cooling and air conditioning system. Copper can be manufactured as soft and rigid copper and offer the excellent corrosion resistance and reliable connections. Galvanized mild steel pipe. This pipe made from the carbon steel. It is longitudinally welded with zinc coating and designed to of the cold and hot water transport network for heating installation where the pressure does not exceed 50 bar. Also for the technological installation. The superior quality of the used material allow to estimate a minimum lifespan for the product of 15 years. Respecting the proper anti-corrosion protection measure. Brass pipe. Pipe manufactured from an alloy containing 85% copper and 15% zinc. The advantage and disadvantage of brass pipe are similar to those for the copper tubing, except the brass pipe can be used in the drain pipe under the pressure, and joint between the brass pipe can be secured and soldered. Wrought iron pipe. This type of pipe are like GI pipe. They are also used to carry water, gas and certain other liquid from one place to another place. It's only different between the wrought iron pipe and GI. The wrought iron pipe are prepared by the welding wrought iron sheet. In addition, seamless pipe also made. The weight of such pipe is less. Cutting, threading and bending of this pipe is quite easy. Asbestos cement pipe. It's a pipe made from the asbestos silica and the cement converted under the pressure to a dense homogeneous material possessing considerable strength. The asbestos fiber is thoroughly mixed with the cement and serve as a reinforcement, and it is available in diameter 4 to 36 inches and 13 feet length. The pipe is made in the various grade, the strongest being intended the internal pressure up to 200 pipe. Plastics pipe. This pipe, which include rubber and PVC pipe, are used for the supply of water, acidic water and alkaline water also. Hot water should not be carried out. The pipe joint using the thread or the socket joint with the solution such as pipe are not rusted, and they are light in weight. Cutting, bending and jointing are very easy. For their purpose, we also use in the electric current installation also, and become useless on the increasing of temperature, and they also become the threading useless for the threading on temporary or nailing. Lead pipe is very malleable metal that offers the extensive benefit of the plumbing application. Lead is extremely stable and endurable. The ductile property of lead and the fact that it can be manufactured and formed for the near endless purpose make it is ideal for the range of piping function, and particularly as a piping. Student, the classifications of the pipes generally depend on the two function. Number one is the water supply system and number two is the drainage system. Many of them might be used the cast iron pipe, P-stress pipe and also the copper and brass pipe for the rainwater water supply stream, but otherwise another plastics or other pipes are also used for the water supply scheme. But concrete and high dense pipe are used for the like a Hume pipe used for the underground drainage system or the swale system.